Hey folks, today we're looking at ENACFIRE. This is the true wireless earbuds. Absolutely amazing, fantastic little case, easy to store your earbuds. And the case itself is a charging unit for your earbuds. And in my experience, you get about 48 hours of recharge with these bad boys. So ENACFIRE does come with a USB charger for the case. It's USB-C, and it does come with all the accoutrement, which means the wire for it. It has a very thorough instruction manual, which you don't get nowadays, and a very nice looking white earbud available in various colors. Let's go ahead and put this is a left earbud. It goes in and stays in very easily here. A very fantastic little earbud. And at the price, you're not going to beat this. This is a very cost-efficient set of earbuds. And again, ENACFIRE is a high-end company for a low dollar value. Comes in a very nice box. And it says ENACFIRE's extreme high performance, true wireless earbud. And you can scan and get the E90 instruction kit with the QR code right on the box. So it says it comes with earphones, one set of earphones, a charging case, 3 sets of ear tips in small, medium, and large, as well as a Type-C, the manual, and the card with all of your information. So pretty fantastic here. Yeah, it's got power on and off on the side. Just press on for power on and off. Pairing is very easily. So when you get these, you're going to go to your Bluetooth app. In your settings, Bluetooth for Apple, works with Android as well. Go ahead to Bluetooth. As soon as you open up the case, it's going to enable pairing. Select your ENACFIRE E90s, and it's going to be connected just that easy. And as soon as you pull them out of the case, they're going to connect automatically to your Bluetooth. It's really easy to set up. It says it comes with a Qualcomm chip. Extreme playtime, like I said, about 48 hours. Touch control, deep bass, aptX audio, comfort fit, stereo call, and IPX8 waterproof. IPX8 waterproof, you can pretty much put these underwater and you're not going to ruin them. So anyway, folks, go ahead and pick up the ENACFIRE. This is Bluetooth version 5.0, Bluetooth profile, charging case, DC input, absolutely amazing. There's some of the best quality true earbuds on the planet. You're absolutely going to love these bad boys. So order today, you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching and adios, amigos.